everybody! We are happy to see you again in our daily 5 show.
Yes, today we're gonna learn about forms of cooking.
Okay.
So what is the first word we will learn today?
First one is grill. Grill is when you cook food over fire. Barbecue, for example. I love barbecue. Do you love barbecue?
Yeah, I really love barbecue.
My family is going to do barbecue this weekend. Do you want to join?
Sure, I will be there.
Go! Okay, what is
the second word? Okay, the second word is bake. Bake is to cook food inside the oven.
Yes.
Do you like baking?
Of course I love. I bake bread, cakes, chicken, vegetables, everything in my oven.
And how about the next word?
Next word is fry. So fried food when we use hot oil or fat. It's unhealthy but so tasty, like French fries.
So we shouldn't eat it too much, okay?
Okay. Number 4 is
steam.
Steam. Tell us, what is steam?
Steam is to cook in a steam from boiling water.
Ooh,
It's really healthy, right?
Yes. Good. Okay, and the last one is stew. Stew, when you cook on a pan, gently, slowly, with adding a little bit of liquid. Oh, wonderful. And also healthy.
Healthy too.
Okay, let's review all 5 words. First one is grill. Yes, grill when you cook over fire.
Second word is bake. Bake is you put something inside the oven, waiting.
Yes.
Yeah.
Number 3 is fry. We fry using oil, hot oil or hot fat. Number 4
is steam.
Steam.
Okay, steam is you to cook inside the steam from boiling water.
Yes. And the last one is stew. You add a little bit of liquid and gently, slowly, you stew your food. So tasty. Okay, let's go and eat.
Okay,
See you.
see
Hope
you
you're
on the
hungry.
next video.
Bye bye.